Hi guys, so it's a beautiful fall day here where I live in Utah, and since I got some requests to have more town car content, I am driving in my town car. See, I want to use this opportunity to tell you, I would love to show more town car content, but sometimes I don't know what to talk about because this vehicle just runs fine. It's not perfect, but almost perfect. It has no flaws. It doesn't need any service, doesn't need any tires. It needs nothing at all. It's just a really great vehicle to drive, and as long as nothing breaks or I got nothing new for it, I think I got a lot of it covered. So can't always have new content about this vehicle, but in the future I will keep that in mind, and I'll come up with a few things to talk about. As for now, almost all the leaves here have already changed color. Look how nice. But yeah, as for now, it's a great car and it drives good. I purchased it in 2012 with 16,000 miles. We had over 40,000 miles right now. No major issues. AC had to be filled, but that's to be expected. So the real reason I am doing this video is I want to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my channel. I'm at the 200 subscribers now, exactly, unless someone unsubscribes or I get some more new subscribers, which would be better, of course. So 200 subscribers, that's not bad. Started in February. I know my content is not as professional as many other guys out there, and never was intended to. It was just something I do for fun, for me, and of course for everyone else that enjoys the cars I drive, or the cars that I film, of course, the videos I do. I know that some videos are more popular than others. That's fine. Right now it seems to be the Mercedes videos that go really well. It's because there are a lot of Mercedes enthusiasts all over the world. The town car is second, and then my other vehicles. So yeah, thanks again, and enjoy the ride with me right now. I'll show a couple clips of my vehicles at the end. Hope you watch till the end. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and as always, give me a thumbs up, and see you in the next video.